We are in the Stone Hall subdivision right off of Roswell Road and Robert Lane. This is the spec home that's coming up on Lot 5. As you can see, there is a 4-car garage, beautiful stucco accents, and the roof is done with concrete slate, which has a lifetime warranty. The stucco balusters are handcrafted on site, and what you're looking at is the front steps, which will have a small fountain and a garden area as you enter the home. And this is as you're looking back to the front door. You can see the gorgeous curved staircase and the arched front door. And this is the view of the dining room. We will have cove lighting in the dining room. And once again, you can see the columns, the arched doorways. We are panning right past the huge pantry that is right behind the kitchen as we're coming in. You can see the kitchen here. There will be the sink under the window. There'll be a beautiful piano-shaped island with several seating opportunities there. And now we're going into the breakfast area, which will also have cove lighting. And you can see there is an entry to the screen porch right out of the breakfast area. And as we pan across, you can see the huge sliding glass doors out of the keeping room onto the porch. And there will also be cove lighting in this area as well. In the evening, it just makes such a warm, welcoming environment. And as we come across, you will see there is a 2-sided fireplace. And between the family room and the formal living area, there will be a wet bar. And this is as you go through the family room into the more formal area, or maybe a music room, with also sliding glass doors to go to the porch and floor-to-ceiling windows. And you will see a powder room and also a coat closet there under the stairway. And you can get a little bit better view of that curved staircase, which will have a curved hand railing and wrought iron spindles. And this is looking at the entryway from the second level catwalk. Coming up the curved staircase with the full length windows with the arched dormer. And there will be a huge chandelier in the foyer. Now you're looking at the common area on the second level. A nice seating area, and around the corner there is also an area for a desk. And this is looking into the master suite. a beautiful double tray ceiling, which will have cove lighting. It has a private sitting area, very large, plenty of room for a morning bar. And this is in the sitting area of the master bedroom with a view onto the screen porch. The master bedroom has cove lighting, and the sitting area does as well.